trains will leave the station. Once again, station masters, right-hand side leaving Nairobi train station. Which is the next wave goodbye. That's it, next wave goodbye. This train's next stop, Stanleyville. Once again, please keep all hands on legs inside with everyone safely seated. Right-hand side penguins, actually African penguins, warm-water penguins, running here in Florida, and about the other cheetah hunt. Cheetah hunt is a launch coaster. At 3 points along the line, cheetah from the Fuji forward, as speeds up to 60 miles per hour. Left-hand side of the train, beyond those bridges, the edge of Africa. It is 16 acres, the self-guided walking tour. In the edge of Africa, you get to see river, people on a 235,000 gallon tank, crocodile, lion, hyena, and porcupine. Big white building on the north side of the train, right-hand side. Over to one to do it dinner. So you're going to look at and walk-up deli. Walk-up deli, chicken tenders, pizza, salad, 2 side items. What is a full-service bar, also known as the giraffe bar. Also includes specialty alcoholic drinks. And local craft beers. And next, corporate stores. It is a family-friendly company and coaster. Put a story around the doorway. And then one side of the train, on to Mountain 63 registered in the top 10 in Emergency Approaches in North America. Mountain travels at 65 miles per hour, goes upside down 7 times. As an inverted coaster, you have to ride below the rail, not above it. Let's get it on a G-force, especially on those outside turns. Speaking of turns, going on this one. Going up to our lower Serengeti belt, I'd like to remind you about keeping all hands on the legs inside the train. For the safety of our animals in our hand, please don't raise the call from our trains. Please don't throw anything from our train. If you're in safety and everyone in your group, everyone should remain safely seated. Por favor, manténganse sentados. If anything should fall from our train, please do not attempt to retrieve it. Just make note where it leaves the train. It could be the right side, left side, some landmark in the area. When we get to the station, notify the station master. Whoever got to send someone out. Any items we retrieve can be picked up at lost and found. Coming alongside the train, giraffe. This is a reticulated giraffe. Actually, one of the smaller of the giraffe species, considered a mature male adult, can stand up to 18 feet tall, weighing more than a ton. Giraffe, one of 2 animals, can actually see in color. Please remain seated on the train, about a 360-degree field of vision. These giraffe can see us all the way around. Long neck of the giraffe, 7 vertebrae, same as you and I, but much larger. Small train animals alongside the train, those are impala. Impala can run maybe about up to 40 miles per hour if they feel ready. Jump about 10 feet in the air and clear almost 40 feet in a single bound. The zebra you see alongside the train, one of two zebra species here at Busch Gardens. This is a grevy. Grevy is the larger of the two. Grevy actually have very narrow stripes with a totally white underbelly. The white animal laying down out there is a desert animal. That's an apex animal, one of the most endangered desert animals. Great species survival plan, going from about a dozen to well over 300 to 400 now. And of course, over here we realize that this is actually a real steam train. We are a three-quarter replica of trains used late 1800s, early 1900s, both Africa and the U.S. West. Right behind that engine, a car with a 1,200-gallon water tender, 6 large propane tanks, and a generator. Again, a real steam train between steam using clean-burning propane. Coming up on the left-hand side on the mound out there in the shade of that tree, mostly in the shade of the tree. 4 animals, beautiful animals, sable antelope. Typically, sable herds are a lot of female herds, 15 to 20 animals, all female except for 1 male. There are totally separate all male herds. Females dominant, matriarchy rules the herd. Any young males going into a female herd about the age of 3, they leave and join an all male herd. And off the right-hand side of the train, you're going to see rhino. It is a white rhino, Technologics land rhino Earth. 4,000 to 6,000 pounds out in the wild. Most of our white rhino here at Busch Gardens, about 4,000 pounds or more. Also known as the white-mouthed rhino. So maybe despite their large size, how fast they can look, actually run, stop, and turn, maybe 35 miles per hour. And of course, I mentioned we had 2 zebra species here at Busch Gardens. Right-hand side, the second of the 2, the smaller of the 2, Grant. The Grant zebra has beautiful stripes, relatively wide, stripes that go all the way around and under the zebra's belly. Haven't seen a photo of a zebra, most likely it was a Grant zebra. Left-hand side, truck for the Homo sapiens. Back to the right-hand side, the animal out there with the gray back, little curvy black horns, that is a wildebeest. Wildebeest, also known as bearded gnu, make up one of the largest herd of animals out of the Serengeti. Now the shaggy brown animal to the left of that tree where the zebra are, has a ring around its tail, heart-shaped nose, that is a waterbuck. Waterbucks aren't aquatic, they are good swimmers. They live in watery areas, near lakes, ponds, streams. They drink water and plants, but they don't like to in the water. About the only time the waterbuck will go in is if they are chased into the water. Flyers. That swing reaches heights of 135 feet. Downward speed more than 68 miles per hour. And again, another one of our White Rhino. Of course, we're going to need a sky ride. Sky ride travels to the Egypt area, to Stanleyville, Woodland trip in each direction. Right hand side is only a turn station, not so much down the road. And once again, the roadway is the Congo area. To the right-hand side, Cuba, to the south of that 60 And to the right-hand side, the Congo River. Our Congo River was 1 mile long. If something wasn't survive, if you want to ride, you're going to have a free-floating raft. Raft goes along the way, you get to experience sudden drop. Lazy rapids, waterfalls, and caverns. It's designed also as a heavy wet. And just off the left of where the engine is now, it is junk out, left-hand side. That's where you can find our tigers, orangutans. Today, Chick-fil-A is closed. Right-hand side, grassy area, Congo, nocturnal. Since over female was thought to be extinct, rediscovered in the 1950s. Lots of times when they're out there along the fence side or in the rear. Left-hand side is Zambia Smokehouse. That's where you can enjoy barbecue chicken ribs and brisket with indoor and outdoor seating. And of course, just ahead of the train, the Stanleyville train station. Closest station to that, Zambia Smokehouse, Chikra, Standing Log Film Ride, Tiger, Sesame Street Safari of Fun. Bird gardens, walkabout way all easily reached from this station. My name is Bob. Please make sure you remain seated. What kind of a stop we're going to have? Could be quick, could be slow. Please remain seated. If you are going to exit, the exit should be to the station side platform only. There'll be exit to look towards the engine back towards the rear of the train. Just so when it goes down to the station, please remain seated. We can stop slowly, we can stop quick. I have no idea. Almost there. Almost. It is now safe to change the exit. This is Stanleyville. Nairobi.